Hi, welcome to the Tabs and Icon video series. In today's video, we're going to look at conditional formatting. We're going to see how conditional formatting can be used to format data rows based on a particular sales value. My name is Dankaru Izuzu and I'm going to be your anchor through this short video. Now let's look at our data. We have this data showing students' performances on terms 1, 2, and 3. Then we have the average score and the grade. Now what we're going to do is I've created a drop down here so that I can toggle this, and the moment I select a particular grade, I want to see all the students that have that grade to be highlighted. So let's start. I click on Home tab, I go straight to my conditional formatting and I go to Manage Rules. So I click on Manage Rules, I have this menu. Select New Rule and look through your selected row type and click on Use a formula to determine which cells to be formatted. Now I come here and I'm going to put a usual Excel formula. I'm going to say if this one here, that's this cell. Now I intend to use that to highlight the whole thing. So I'm going to remove it from absolute cell referencing, which is having the double $sign, to only column. So I do take it twice. And I'm saying equal to, if it's equal to this cell that I'm going to be juggling, I want that cell to be formatted. So let me pick this color as my format and then I click OK. Now I take OK again. Now the next thing is to come here and take OK. Now having taken OK, one more thing to be done. I go back to this place, go to my format cells rule, I call up this again. Now this particular formula refers only to one cell, so you can see apply to cell G4. I'm going to take out that and I'm saying let it apply to the whole of this one. That way it can format everything that has to do with this file. I take apply to all, so I'm going to apply that and I take OK. So now you see all the cells that have E, all the students that have E have been highlighted. So if I come here and change this, let me take students that have A, they'll be highlighted. How many students have A? Just very few have A. You can see all of them have been highlighted. So I can go back here, select students that have C, and you see all the students with C are highlighted there. If you pick any other one like grade B, students with grade B, students with grade B, or very few of them too, they are all already highlighted. So that's how to create a conditional formatting to highlight a particular row based on the requirement of a particular cell that you have selected. Thank you very much for listening. In other videos, we'll see much more of what Excel can do. Bye-bye.